how to remove a reposted TikTok video from your profile. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the TikTok application on your device and make sure you are signed in. Now, in order to remove a repost, tap on your profile icon on the bottom right of your screen and then tap on the repost button from the toolbar you see there. Now, in the repost tab, you will be able to see all the posts that you have reposted. So, tap on the post that you want to remove from your repost and then tap on the share icon you see there at the bottom. You will then see the option for remove repost. Tap on that, and with this, the post will be removed from the repost tab. So, this is how you can remove a reposted TikTok video from your profile. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.